Good morning, everyone. How you are feeling today? Great. That is really nice. Today we are going to discuss one beautiful story. A name of story is How the Peacock Got Eyes on Its Tail. How the Peacock Got Eyes on Its Tail. This is a folktale from Rajasthan. What does mean by folktale? Traditional stories. People pass from one generation to another generation. Okay, that is the folktale. Orally, they pass from one generation to another generation. Now, this folktale can be belongs to particular community. It can be belongs from particular nation. Okay, this folktale contains belief of common people. Okay, you may be aware about the Soap Fable and the Panchatantra. Those are the folk tale, isn't it? Those are great folk tale, and you are aware about it. And same kind of folk tale today we are going to discuss. Let's see what is in this folk tale. What is in this beautiful story? What masses Rajasthani people are going to give us by their folk tales? Let's see. Once upon a time, all the animals in the jungle gathered to choose their leader. There is a discussion going on between all animals in the jungle. Discussion chal raha hai between all animals of jungle. Why? Because they want to choose a leader. There were towering ministers like the tall camel, the jackal, the deer, the snake, the bear, and the monkey. In that meeting, in that discussion, all animals have participated. There is a camel, there is a jackal means kolla, jackal is there, deer is there, snake is there, the bear is there, and the monkeys also participated. All have participated, all animals have participated in that meeting. Why? Because they want to choose a leader. They felt that they needed a leader who would keep everyone united. Why they are going to choose a leader? Because they think that if we choose a leader, that leader is going to keep us united. That leader is going to tell us what is right and what is wrong, isn't it? That leader will give us proper justice, isn't it? That is the mentality of all animals, and that's why they have gathered together in the jungle, in the forest, and doing discussion. Why they are doing discussion? Because they want to choose a good leader. In came the elephant, trumpeting loudly, and greeted in the inmates of the forest with the shower of water. Inmate means a resident. When that meeting was going on, what has happened? Elephant entered in that meeting. By making a huge noise or loudly. He's loudly making noise. He entered in that meeting, and what he is doing, greeting to all his friends who have participated in that meeting. All there is a camel, there is a monkey, there is a jackal, deer is there, snake is there, bear is there. To all his friends he is a greeting, and how he is greeting? Showering water on them, throwing water. Okay, and greeting to all his friends. You be our leader, they say to the elephant. All that bear, camel, monkey, deer, snake, those all animals immediately requested to elephant that, elephant, you are really huge, you are having enough power, I think you are good, you are going to give us proper justice, you will keep us united. That is the mentality of all animals, and they are requesting to whom? Elephant, that you are going to be our leader. I know that, we know that actually you will give us proper justice, you will keep us united. And because of that, they are requesting to elephant. Why? Now he is elephant is going to be their leader. Then what has happened? Let's see. Oh no, he said, I am a vegetarian. Now elephant is saying, actually you are requesting me. I also I wanted to be your leader, but there is one problem actually. What is the problem? I'm vegetarian, and that's why I don't want to be your leader. You ought to have someone who can fight with foes. Okay, foes means enemies. Actually, you should choose such a leader who will fight with foes, means enemies. Actually, I'm not able to fight with enemies. I'm vegetarian, that's why I can't fight, I can't kill anyone. Choose such a leader that will fight with foes, and it will keep us united. It will save us from the enemies. Who that person, whoever will be, that person which you are going to choose, that will save us from the enemies. It should not be vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. you know this elephant has denied proposal of his friend. Just then the lion roared, and all the animals shivered with excitement. But when they embraced him, his stinky breath made them move away. When that conversation was going on, when the discussion was going on between the all animals and elephant, that lion entered, roaring loudly, making a very great noise. All animals were, trembling, shivering, afraid to lion. He was a, he's a great really lion. He can kill anyone. He can, fight with anyone. He can save. But what has happened? The all animals went near lion. They embraced him, shivering, trembling, shivering with excitement. But when they embraced him, the stinky breath, stinky means bad smell. When they, embrace to a lion, they embrace him. His stinky breath, he was taking, breath. His stinky breath made them move away. They are now afraid into lion. He can kill anyone, and that's why they all have gone away from lion. They scared who? All animals, camels, the deer, the snake, the bear, all animals, elephant, all were there in that discussion. And when they embraced, when they saw to lion, they astonished, looking to lion. Oh my God, he will be our king. He will, keep us united. He will save us from the enemies. It was the mentality of all animals, but that a stinky breath made them move, okay, away from lion, isn't it? Now they're scared. Why they scared? They're scared away and were worried, for they could not find someone suitable to be their leader. Now they are, thinking, being, tense. Oh my God, now there is no one who will keep us united. Oh my God, there is no one who will, tell us what is right and wrong. Oh my God, who will be our leader? Who is a good person? Too much tension is there. Nobody is speaking. Everybody is thinking alone. Such kind of mentality is there among all animals. Could not find suitable to their king. It was then that the peacock startled from behind the banyan tree. When everybody worrying that who will be our leader, all animals were doing, thinking, to whom shall we choose as our leader? A peacock was coming from behind banyan tree. He looks gorgeous, that peacock. You know very well how it looks. It looks really beautiful. Once we look at peacock, we feel once we say love at first sight. Once we look at peacock, we fell in love with the peacock, isn't it? Startled from behind the banyan tree, he looks gorgeous. Awesome he was looking. In his purple feather, his feathers were purple. His tail, a shimmering green. Shimmering means shining, shining. Shimmering green with no marks. There were no marks actually. It was purple feathers. There was no mark, shining, it was really beautiful. No marks. He did looks like a king as he fanned out his long tail in a wide arch. All, animals thinking that. What they are thinking? When you open his, long feathers, purple, long, shining, beautiful feathers, when he open, he looks like a king. Really, the peacock is our king. They all are thinking. Okay, Fanned out means everybody felt in the love of peacock. Long tail in a wide arch. When he arch means, in a curved manner, in curved way. If this peacock opened his feathers, then that peacock is going to be look like a king. Okay, and that's why everybody felt in his love, and they are thinking that this peacock will be our leader. Instantly the jackal questioned immediately. The jackal, Kolla, is asking question. What he's asking? Will you be our leader? The peacock's god. Peacock is, loudly. Peacock squad. Peacock, now what has happened? Will you be our leader? Jackal has asked. कोल्ला ने विचार ले लाए. कोल्ला पूछ रहा है कि आप हमारे लीडर बन जाओगे क्या? Will you be our leader? Okay. Then this peacock is squad. Squad का मतलब होता है loudly. He's, loudly being too much proud. Actually, at the beginning we have seen how he was coming. He was being so much proud on himself, walking like a king. He was really looking like a king. Beautiful he was, and that's why everybody felt in love, and all animals are thinking that he will be our leader. Okay, and that's why Jackal has asked to Peacock that will you be our leader. This peacock, squawked means loudly he's, telling something. The peacock squawked, yes, absolutely, definitely, I will be your king. But what am I expected to do? Okay, Baba, I will be your leader, but let me know what I need to do if once I become a king. Okay, once I become your leader, what I need to do? Tell me. All Peacock is asking to all his friend animals. Okay. Oh no, oh nothing. The crew said, you only need to agree with the ministers. Actually, there is no work. What you are going to do? You are just going to be agree with ministers. मिनिस्टर के साथ ही आपको जो भी मिनिस्टर कहेंगे उसके हिसाब से आपको जो काम है वो करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स यू विल बी जस्ट नीड टू बी एग्री विद देम. ओके, देयर इज नो एक्चुअली टू मच वर्क. ओके, जस्ट यू नीड टू बी एग्री विद द मिनिस्टर्स. Crew said, okay, very well, said the peacock. Okay, Baba, I don't have problems. I will be your king. I will be your leader. Okay, the peacock now became agreed to be their leader. The Sun King's daughter Surya was witnessing the discussion of the animals peeping out from between the clouds. When this all conversation was going on, when this discussion was going on, the Sun King's daughter, उसकी daughter, Sun की daughter, okay, उसका नाम है सूर्या. Surya was witnessing the discussion. She was, witnessing the discussion of the animals peeping out from between the clouds. क्लाउड के अंदर से देख रही थी. कौन देख रही थी? सूर्या. ओके, डॉटर ऑफ किंग सन. वो देख रही थी. क्या देख रही थी? ये सब जो डिस्कशन है, जो डिस्कशन बिटवीन द पीकॉक एंड ऑल एनिमल्स विच वॉज गोइंग ऑन, सी वॉज विटनेसिंग, सी वॉज वॉचिंग थ्रू द क्लाउड्स. क्लाउड्स के अंदर से देख रही थी. She glowed and sparkled in the sky, and her hair shone like a halo of flame. When the discussion was going on, actually there was a really beauty came over the face of Surya. सूर्या के चेहरे पे अलग ही तेज दिख रहा था. Sparkled, her face was shining. बहुत खूबसूरत दिख रही थी आज. कौन? सूर्या. She is the daughter of King Sun. She was looking so gorgeous today. Sparkled her face in the sky, and her hair shone like a halo of flame. Halo of flame, you know very well that if while raising sun, around sun, that halo of flame you may have seen. No, everybody see that. Okay, halo flame. Her hair were looking so beautiful. Her face was so beautiful. आज कुछ अलग ही तरीके का ब्यूटी सूर्या के चेहरे पे दिख रहा था. सूर्या was the colors flame. Surya was the color when the peacock spread its tail in the forest and instantly fell in love with the peacock. What has happened today? Actually, Surya, daughter of King Sun, she felt in love with peacock. Peacock के प्यार में ये पागल हो गई है. What she is saying, actually when this peacock opened his feathers, okay, beautiful feathers, purple feathers, when he opened Okay, I saw his beauty, okay, and I astonished, and I felt in love, okay, and I want to get married with him now. It still in the forest and instantly fell in love with the peacock. She pleaded with her father to marry her to the peacock. Now she is requesting. What she is requesting? She is begging actually. Pleaded means requesting, begging. What she is begging? Father, actually I saw a peacock. When he opened his feathers, I felt in his love. See, peacock is really awesome, and I hope that he is going to keep me happy. Okay, he is going to give me happiness once I get married. I can see his beauty every day. Okay, everything she is telling to her father, son, king's son. Okay, she is telling everything and begging that actually I want to get married with peacock. That peacock is too beautiful and I want to get married with him. Peacock spread its tail in the forest and instantly fell in love with the peacock. She pleaded, begged, requesting to his father, begged with her father, no father, to marry her to the peacock. मैं उसके साथ मैरिज करने वाली बोल रही है अभी. किसको बोल रही है? फादर को बोल रही है. I want to get married with peacock. His proud fellow who cares only for the his look. Now father, son, king's son is saying to his daughter what he is saying. Actually, there is no problem. Peacock is really awesome guy. It looks so beautiful, handsome. But what is a problem? You know about him. You don't know about him actually. You just felt in his love because of his appearance. But do you know how he is? I will let you know how he is. He's a proud fellow. He's being too much proud on himself. He is too much how he is. He thinks about himself. तो खुद के बारे में सोचने वाला आदमी है, दूसरे के बारे में सोचेगा नहीं. ओके, और ये अपना जो लुक है उसको ही अच्छा रखने का, इसकी ही बात करेगा. He will not think about others. He will only always think about himself. Okay, Sun King is telling everything to his daughter. He's a proud fellow who cares only for his look only. उसके बारे में सोचता है, उसके लुक के बारे में सोचता है, वो तेरे बारे में नहीं सोचेगा. A clever girl like you would get bored with that. And one thing I like to tell you, you are so clever, you are so beautiful, and once you get married, then what will happen? You will get bored with this person. Why? Because he thinks only about himself. खुद के बारे में सोचने वाला आदमी है, तो उसके साथ मैरिज करके will you be happy? No, definitely. The Sun King is telling to his daughter, okay, bored with that, you should choose someone equal to you, retorted the father. And father बोल रहे हैं, if you want to get married with someone, okay, I am agree actually, I will. But one thing is there, you are not going to get married with this peacock. See, other person who is equal to you, who is good like you, that person you are going to choose and you are going to get married with that person. Who is saying? Father is saying now. The princess wept and his love for his daughter eventually made the Sun King give in. But finally, what has happened? Continuously, Surya, she is requesting to his father that no, anyhow, in any circumstances, I want to get married with peacock only. I don't know whether he is a proud fellow, he is thinking about himself, he will not care about me, whether he will take care or not, it doesn't matter, because I love him and I am going to live with him only. I don't want to get married with other person. Who is saying? Surya is saying, to whom she is saying? To his father. Okay, now finally father became angry. Now father is also saying, oh my god, I have informed you, okay, about this whole thing. I don't know how will you live with him, but if you are requesting me, if you can't live without him, though, okay, what, it's okay, I will call him here and both of you will get married. Okay, now he became angry. Now let's see what has happened. The princess wept and his love for his daughter eventually made the Sun King give in. Now father also became angry, Sun King also became angry. Now let's see in another part whether King is Surya is going to get married with Peacock or not, or now what will be there in remaining lesson that we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.